Hey guys, it's Cooper here from Invoke, and today I'm going to show you how to plug your LLM or AI project into any service in seconds. So I've got my LLM set up in LangChain. I'm using GPT 4.1. I've already exported my OpenAI API key, so if you haven't got an OpenAI API key, go ahead and do that now to follow along. Once that's done, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install the Invoke agent. So you can do that just by going to terminal and typing pip install invoke agent. And that's going to take some time. Obviously, I've already got it installed, but it might take you a little bit longer. Nevertheless, once that's done, we can go over to the Invoke website, and you're going to want to create an account for this, but I'm just going to log in. And hopefully I get my password right. Nope, I did not. Okay, let's try that again. I swear I do know my password, guys. But once we're in, we can go straight to the API key manager. So I've already verified my email address, but you're going to want to verify your email address first. I can create an API key. This one I'll call demo, and we can copy that straight away and then go back to our terminal window, and we'll export that to the environment just with an export command. Invoke API key, paste that in there, and then that's our Invoke API key sorted. And now we can go to the install page and copy the quick start code straight from the install page. Don't need to do anything fancy for this. Go over to our program, paste that in, and we can get rid of that duplicate import statement right there. And this is pretty much our program. This is all we need. We've got Google Calendar and OpenMatio loaded up, and we might want to change these. So if we want to use other integrations, then we can go over to the catalog. And from here we can search all kinds of stuff. So we've got Microsoft Calendar API, we've got the GitHub Advanced API, Calendly API, anything you want. But I'm going to use Google Places. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to post that instead of OpenMatio. And we can go ahead and save our program, and then we can run it with Python demo.py, because that's what it's called. Might clear that just to make some room. And then once that's running, we can start sending commands to GPT 4.1. So I'm going to ask it to find me a nice Mexican restaurant in Bondi. And there you go, we've got some recommendations. I've actually been to the second one, Manny's in Bondi, and it's really good. So I'm going to go with that, and I'm going to ask the Invoke agent to make a calendar event for tomorrow night so that I can remember the details. And we can submit that. Okay, so before it can access our calendar, we need to authenticate, give it access. I'm going to give it access to my Invoke calendar now. Take a second, but OAuth has been successful, so we can close that. We can tell it that we're now authenticated, so it can repeat creating the calendar event. And that's done. So here are the details. Restaurant Mammy's in Bondi. We can actually see the address, the time, and it's also given us a link to the calendar event. So if I click that, oh, that is the wrong calendar. So we can get rid of that, open up the correct calendar, and if we go to tomorrow night, we can see that that calendar event has been made there. All the details have been put in there. So that's the tutorial, guys. If you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Any questions, let us know in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you soon for some more tutorials.